Do you always forget something when you go on vacation? There's a simple strategy you can use every time to help you remember and keep track of what you pack so you don't have to pay a premium to replace things you need when you're gone. Just use a list. This is one of the oldest tricks in the book, but it can save you a lot of money. We have a printable version of our packing list at clark.com, and I'll link to that in the description below. Trying to remember all the things you need to pack can be a burden, but with the clark.com list, you can relax as you check things off. Let's go through it. You'll absolutely need ID when you go on your trip, whether it's a government-issued ID card, a driver's license, or passport for a vacation abroad. Then, see if you have cash in your wallet. If you don't, make a trip to the ATM a priority. You never know when you'll need it. A little umbrella is never a bad idea, especially if you don't like getting caught in the rain. Plus, it will probably cost you at least $10 to get a replacement. Next, grab your sunglasses. This accessory can get expensive quickly, so block the rays for free and pack your shades. To go along with your sunglasses, get your bathing suit packed. Bathing suits can be especially expensive to replace if you're going to the beach. And if you're going to wear a bathing suit, grab your sunscreen. You don't always need a big bottle, but wearing sunscreen is important, and you won't have to spend money on special lotion or aloe to treat your sunburn later. Whether you're headed to a city or the beach, you'll want layers. They give you flexibility and comfort no matter where you are. Next, think about packing some booze. That is, if you're over 21 and expect you'll want to have a drink or two on your trip. Alcohol is one of the most expensive things you can buy when you're out, but you can have a glass of wine or make a cocktail much more cheaply yourself. Hair ties are a must if you have long hair, so pack a couple of extra in your travel bag so you don't have to buy a whole new package. I always throw some hand sanitizer in my bag too, especially for plane trips. Just make sure it's sealed tightly to avoid spills. Your toiletries are an essential part of your packing. I usually keep mine all together and ready so that I can just put my pouch into my bag when I'm preparing to travel. If you don't keep separate toiletries, you can buy empty plastic mini bottles and fill them with shampoo and other liquids you already have. That way, you don't have to spend to replace them every time you run out. Another thing I keep together are medications. This includes prescriptions, over-the-counter, and pain relievers like ibuprofen. Make sure you keep these in your carry-on because you never know when you might need to take something or if your checked bag will get lost. Since you're in doctor mode, pack a mini first aid kit. You don't have to bring it all, just some bandages and antibiotic ointment will do. Next, grab some snacks. Just something small in case you're trapped on a plane that only has 4 purchased food, or you find yourself hungry when there's still a while before dinner. Packing chargers for all your devices is key. I usually bring 2 phone chargers just in case, plus a wireless charger to bring on the go. You'll pay an arm and a leg at the airport if you need to juice up your phone but forgot your charger. If you're bringing multiple devices with different chargers, either pack it with the device it belongs to or keep all your chargers together to stay organized. And finally, entertainment. This could be a book, magazine, or anything downloaded to your phone or computer, like a movie, podcast, or crossword. Having something to do that doesn't need Wi-Fi is nice to have while you wait. You can find the link to this printable checklist in the description below. And if you have something to add, let us know what you pack to save money in the comments. Check out our other videos and subscribe to our channel for even more money-saving info.